Now let me introduce one of the classical touch dimmer sensor switch 9663D touch dimmer. It looks like this, touch dimmer, and here input will connect to the transformer, output connected to the lighting, and it's surface mount. You see, just use double side tap to install on the surface of the panel and drill a small hole about 10 mm and 2 wires below it, and then go to the transformer and the lighting. And it is 12 volts and 24 volts. Both can use for 12 volt and 24 volts lighting system. Its output current is 3 amp, so if you use a 12 volt system, it can carry on 36 watts lighting. If you use for 24 volt system, it can carry on 72 watts lighting. And short term is touch, is on off. Long term touch is dimmer. Let me show you. Now touch one time, short time, off. Touch one more time, turn on again. So you see one wire with transformer, one wire to lighting. Touch, off, touch again, turn on. And touch and holder, I make a long touch. You see, please check the lighting, becomes dim, and then become more bright. So touch and holder, dim, bright, and touch on, off, touch on. It is a classical surface mount touch dimmer switch. The backside just use double side tap, so very easy to install. This item is called 9663D touch dimmer.